Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in to the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be taking a look at Acorns, which is a very financial investor platform. So if you were looking to have a somewhat safe platform to invest your money, you can look at Acorns. Acorns is a very easy to use. You don't have to manage your portfolio besides choosing a couple different options, and we're going to take a look at that here in just a second. It's very similar to Robinhood, where your money is put into ETFs or REITs, and it's very low risk depending on what you're investing in, or it could be higher risk, where we'll take a look at the portfolio here in just a second. So on my homepage, once your account is invested, this screen will show you the value of your account. So right now, this is brand new to me, and I'm just logging on. So I'm scored really low, 35%. I have set up a $95 deposit, and then my buddy did recruit me, so he did get a referral bonus, and I got a referral bonus as well as $5, so that'll make my account $100. Now I don't plan on adding any more than $100 at this time. It's just going to be used as a kind of just something to kind of look at this. What is the interest rate if I go at a very high portfolio or performance? And then they do offer a very cool feature called roundups, and there are a couple credit unions near me that have done this, where if you bought something for $2.45, they would round up the 55 cents and then invest that for you into an account, plus they would match you up to so much for the first month or so. So that's something to look out for. If you're near a credit union, go ahead and look out for specials such as that. They're a lot better than banks often. So Roundup is something very similar to Acorns. So if you buy, if I buy coffee for $2.45, Acorns will invest the 55 cents for you into the Acorns account, and then it'll be added to your portfolio, and it'll accumulate interest. Now you can easily transfer money to your account. You can do a reoccurring or a one-time. Now I made a one-time transfer of $95, and of course you can go to your history and you can see what you deposited. So right now I have a deposit of $95 that's going through. It's still pending, and I have my referral reward of $5, so that'll make my account $100. Performance, this is where you can see how your investment is performing. Now I currently have nothing here because nothing's cleared the account. This is all brand new. So I just signed up for it Friday and began transferring money into it, and it just takes a few days to get it. I think it's 2 or 3 days to get into your account. Now I'm going to be running a very aggressive portfolio, so it's going to be 20% stocks, 35% small stocks, 20% emerging stocks, 10% REITs or real estate, and then 15% large companies. So those are probably some of the blue chip. And it looks like you can actually take a look here. You can select view now, and what I think it means is it's going to show you, I'm not sure what it's doing. I would think it would adjust the bar, or it would show me the stocks that are part of this portfolio. So let me just right click and open a new tab and see what happens here. Nope, it's asking me to relog back in. So let me log back in and see. So I logged back in, it just took me back to the site again. So really not very useful. Okay, so anyways, I can close out of these tabs. So they have 5 different options. They have the conservative, where your stocks are invested mainly in corporate bonds and government bonds, so i.e. bonds, and some corporate bonds you can buy. If you have moderately conservative, again, they have a variety of things, with the bonds being the primary things. If you go moderate, the bonds decrease, the emergency markets start to increase, some of the larger stocks start to increase, real estate stays about in the middle. If you go moderately aggressive, again, you got large companies at the top. Bonds are very minimal, and then as you get into the aggressive, bonds are completely removed. Bonds, I don't think they do very well. I have a couple bonds, and they just don't they're not great for long term. They're very safe, which is why the conservative has them as the highest, but they don't earn you a very good return. So I'm going to be going at this at aggressive, and we're going to check into this here at the on Friday to see where we're at, and hopefully the pending cash will have hit the account and we'll begin to earn some interest on this. And of course, you're only going to earn interest on Acorns as the markets are open, and right now we have the markets are closed, so nothing new here. So we're going to continue to move on and check back here in the future. So that is it for this video. If you have used Acorns in the past, go ahead and let me know if you have any tips or tricks. What do you run your portfolio at? Do you run it at aggressive, conservative, or anything in between? And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for future financial videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.